without even the least trace of ignorance. In Jivan Mukti, Prarabdha continues to be there, and we are seeing mere Tattvajnana, Atmajnana does not guarantee Jivan Mukti. Mere Tattvajnana, Atmajnana, Brahmajnana does guarantee Videha Mukti after the death. Why? Because Chitta Klesha, the afflictions of the mind are such that so long as they are there, even though you may know that they are mithya in nature, mithya things also involved, enough to create disturbance. You are hungry. Hunger is satyam or mithya after this much of Veda? Mithya. Don't bother about it. Don't bother. So why you bother about it? See, if hunger were not there, 50% of samsara problem is over. Other 50% will remain for the rest of the things. So that's why. So that is that. So Chitta Klesha do in terms of Kartritva, Bhoktritva based on earlier habit does continue. Even though knowledge is gained, the phala, moksha, and in terms of abidance of the mind in the Swarupa is not possible. Drishta, Sukha, Dukkha are there. So that's why Shastra recommends two further sadhana. Tattvajnana is indispensable. In addition, what is necessary is manonasha and vasanasha. I have to take this because context of vasana, tanava has come and word mukti is there. So that means because vasana, tanava, vasanasha is told and the word mukti is there, that the word mukti means jivan mukti, vasanasha. That is. So that's why. For Jivan Mukti, how many sadhana? 3. Tattvajnana, Manonasha, Vasanasha. Not that for Videha Mukti, Manonasha and Vasanasha are not necessary, but little will do. But for Jivan Mukti, little काम नहीं करेगा. So one should have thorough Manonasha, thorough Vasanasha. What are the means of gaining Tattvajnana? Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. What are the means of gaining Manonasha? Yoga, Abhyasa, practice of Ashtanga Yoga or Manonasha. What are the means for Vasanasha? Vasanas have to be counteracted by opposite vasanas. What the vasanas are of two types, Shuddha Vasana and Malina Vasana. Shuddha Vasanas are Janma Vinashini. For example, you have a disposition to make your mind get absorbed in the Swarupa. That samskara, that Vasana is what? Shuddha Vasana. But other one, Ajnana and they are, what are those Malina Vasana we say in detail. So they are Malina Vasana. So Malina Vasanas have to be counteracted by Shuddha Vasana. So these are the three. The main question comes, though we have seen cursorily, what is this Vasana? Vidyaranya gives three different definitions of Vasana. First is that Vasanas are samskara. Jivagata dharma dharma samskara. Jivagata belonging to Jiva. Samskara, impressions in the mind. What type of impressions? Dharma dharma, based on dharma punya, adharma papa. In past life, whatever karmas were done, depending on papa and punya, they leave the impressions in the mind. And that those impressions continue. So those impressions in the mind, latent in the mind, antakarana, they are called as what? Vasanaha. This is one definition of vasana. Now other definition is like this. Purvapara paramarsham antarena. Purva apara paramarsham antarena. Antarena, without. Paramarsha, consideration. Without consideration. Of what? Purva and apara. Purva and apara means prior and subsequent. See, suppose you want to do something. Don't you think? What is the background? What is the consequence? You think or not? If you don't think, you are what? Useless fellow. Yeah. A man of intelligence will see the consequences and also the background. That is the cause. Generally, what is expected of any person before taking a decision. Suppose you want to take a very important decision. What do? You retire. You just sit quietly, etc., and think. All see the pros and cons, etc. So that's why paramas purva para paramarsham antarena. Without seeing the antecedent and the subsequent things as such. It says sahasa utpadyamanasya. Those which are born spontaneously, without any effort on your part. What are those things that are born spontaneously? Krodhadi, krodha, bhaya, kama, etc. Vritti vishesha. Its hetu means the cause of kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsara, born spontaneously, without any consideration of the previous things and the subsequent result. So that is what is called hetu. Chittagata samskara. Is a samskara, chittagata, abiding where? In the mind. Samskara, vasana. Why they are called vasana? Purvabhyasena chitte vasyamanatva. They have they have got tenancy right in your chitta. He said, Purvabhyasena, by earlier habit, chitte vasyamanatva, because they are infused, they are steeped in the antakarana, therefore vasyamanatva vasana. Those which are infused in the antakarana, steeped in the antakarana, therefore they are called as what? Vasana. That means, whenever now you get angry, etc., how anger comes? Now I am going to come, be careful. Is it? Generally, people repent after anger. In fact, many crimes are because of that. In fact, I told, some other class I told. I saw on the Hindi newspaper, Times of India one case. One famous singer from North, she sings bhajans also, etc., was giving a performance in Arthur Road jail. Arthur Road jail, a particular barrack, and the photograph was there. If you see those people, they were between 20 and 35, and on their face, you can, and see, what were the crimes, mentioned? Murder, theft, etc. These are the criminals. On their face, such an innocence was there. You can never make them make out as they are what? Criminals. And in fact, the front row, there was a person with young fellow, maybe 28 and 29, with dadi, etc. If the caption is not there, you can mistake that person like some brahmachari from some ashram. So it's like, on the page, such a thing was there. Now means they are not confirmed criminals. Something gadbad happened. So that is what inner motivation, vasana. Means anger came, on the fit of anger, fellows did something. I think 2-3 years back there was a case in Andheri. A son murdered the mother. You know why? What is that? TV. He can't play the channels that he wants. Mother is playing her. Is there? Now think of it. The whole time he is going to see TV where? Think of it. It's such a flimsy reason. Anger. It must be boiling in his mind continuously as such. So that means there is something programming inside. That is what is called as what? Vasana. Spontaneity. One more like this. More or less, just now what we have seen. Dhrida bhavanaya. Dhrida bhavana means what? By firm conviction. Tyakta purvapara vicharanam. Tyakta purvapara vicharanam. Where the prior and subsequent vicharana, inquiry, consideration is given up without that. It says, yadadanam, yad grahanam, taking this is this, I am doer, I am the bhokta, I am the experiencer, etc. This is what? Body is me, like this. I want this. So like this, yadadanam grahanam, padarthasya, of the things and beings. Vasanasa pratītita. That is what is called as vasana. Dhrida bhavanaya tyakta purvapara vicharanam yad adanam means grahanam, taking to padarthasya, of the things, etc. Vasanasa pratītita. In short, like what we have seen last time, in modern computer language, Vasana is the software of your personality. Vasana is the software of your personality. Processed in the CPU, central processing unit of your mind. Can we process? It is processed in the CPU of your mind. That is one the best way of it. Program is the best word for see how subtly we are programmed. So that is why thinking is involved. That is why viveka is indispensable. If you get carried away by vasana, end of it. Now, so because the context is of Jivan Mukti, Tattva Jnana is taken for granted. Vasanakshaya, Manonasha happen to be the means with this background. So let us we'll see what are the types of Malina Vasana. It will come in the 271. There are 3 types of Malina Vasana. Lokavasana, Shastra Vasana, Deha Vasana. Vidyaranya Muni has explained with beautiful illustration. He gives examples for each of them as well. So you see that in that context, but for the time being, it's enough to take this stanza as well. Vastuni, stanza 267, Vastuni Jnate Api. What is Vastu? Atma, Brahma. Vastuni Jnate Api. Even though Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana is vague, this what has happened now. Out of 3 sadhanas for Jivan Mukti, Tattva Jnana is already accomplished. Vastuni Jnate Api, even then what happens? Esha Dhrida बलवती वासना. एषा दृढ़ा बलवती वासना. This very powerful, dृढ़ा, unassailable vasana. What type of vasana? Aham karta api bhokta. Aham karta api bhokta iti anadihi vasana. This vasana, what is that? Aham karta, I am the doer. Aham bhokta, I am the experiencer. Now tell me, when you say I am the karta bhokta, what is that you take as happy? Body, mind, intellect, is it not? So who taught you? Who taught you? Some lower teaching? Natural. Is it not? See, it is not only in this, in any embodiment. See how that takes to order? Program. Because that upadhi is such that it gets programmed as well. How a birdling flies, which flying school it attended? How? Because that upadhi is that. How a child, newly born baby, sucks the mother's milk. How is it? Why it cries? Hunger. Who told you? Go, baby. Always you have to cry, other mother will not know. mother will not know that you are hungry. Therefore you have to cry. Is it that way? Is it really what you want? One mosquito bites. So what? How come? So it's all program. At the same time, something good is that laugh. Have you seen children laughing? At times, with no reason they laugh. They know what they say. Previous birth of a dream or something. At times, without any reason, well fed, no mosquitoes, everything, they sob. They sob. Children, very just 2-3 months later, even they have no reflexes to identify the parents. They sob. Previous janma, samsara, etc. Of course, dream, etc., they may be getting, etc. It's a continuous process. Don't think that you are isolated in this. You are continuing, and that software is what? Namaskara, etc. So thereby says, karta, bhokta, api aham iti. Says, anadihi, esha, anadihi vasana. Anadi means, don't think it started in this birth. Since when you are taking birth? Since when you are taking birth? Since when you have got ajnana? Since when you have got ajnana? Anadi. If scientists were there, they would have put a figure because nobody can verify. That is what it is. Our Shastras are precise. They will say, this Jagat, cosmos was created so many millions of years ago. Who can verify that? This fellow got PhD and went away. He earned his money, that's all, by getting a PhD. What are the means to verify that? Ask our Shastra. Anadi, Ananda. Precise. Beginningless. Because even if this creation started, it has originated from earlier creation. Earlier creation has originated from the earlier creation. There is no beginning. And it will continue until you attend Vivek Chudamani and then get Atma-jnana, Brahma-jnana, then Ajnana bodega, ye musibat ho gaya. I can't do anything with these people. They are Brahma-jnanis, not like last time story Brahma-jnanis. not those Brahma-jnanis. They are real Brahma-jnanis. So that way you will have done. So no. So therefore, anadihi vasana ya asya samsara hetu is the cause of samsara. Main cause of samsara is what? Avidya. But avidya, in terms of karma phala vasana, manifested avidya manifests as vasana. It's a vasana that keeps the show going on. The root cause is ajnana. So, but in vasana, samsara hetuhu says sa, that vasana says प्रत्यक्ष दृष्ट्या आत्मनि निवसता प्रयत्नात् अपनेय. Sa apaneya. It should be destroyed. It should be driven away. That vasana should be driven away. It should be destroyed. How? Pratyek drishtya. By pratyek drishti. Drishti, vision means knowledge of pratyek atma. Knowledge of Brahma. By sakshatkara, direct knowledge of Atma, Brahma. This is drishtya. What should be? It should be dispelled. It should be driven away. And pratyadishta atmani nivasata prayatnat. What is that? It should be apaneya. So that which is atmani nivasata means that for practical purpose it has become as if the feature of oneself jiva who is in ignorance. So that way, so there is a prayatna with due effort. Why prayatna? It is not very easy. Means consistent efforts are necessary. So therefore prayatna apaneya munaya, those who are शास्त्रार्थ मनन शीला. Shastrartha manana shilaha, those who dwell upon the actual import of the Shastra. Munayaha, what they say? They say, yat vasana tanavam tad muktim praptu. Whatever that is vasana tanava, Vasanakshaya. This Vasanakshaya has been told after Jnate Vastuni. Means after Tattva Jnana it has been told. Means context is of what? Jivan. I said on the other way, lot of misunderstanding is going on in the topic of Manonasha and Vasanakshaya. Because almost all, they don't distinguish Jivan Mukti from Vidya Mukti. Just Mukti, one liberation. Vasana Tanavam, what they say, Muktim Prabhu, which Mukti? Jivan Mukti. Now, basically, another thing like this. Tattvajnana, Manonasha, Vasanakshaya. These three means for Jivan Mukti are interrelated. That's why Jivan Mukti Viveka says simultaneous practice of all these is necessary. One to the exclusion of other cannot give Jivan Mukti. Tattvajnana will give Vidya Mukti, that's okay. But if you want Jivan Mukti, one to the exclusion of other, it is not possible. Even whole lifelong, for example, Ashtanga Yogi may accomplish Manonasha whole lifelong, Jivan Mukti is not possible. Or Vasana, actually, even that Manonasha itself is not possible. Even if he has got Jivan Mukti is not possible. Other two must be there. So that means simultaneous practice is emphasized for the Jivan Mukti. So that means other things. Practice of one helps the practice of others. Vasnakshaya helps manonasha, manonasha helps vasnakshaya, vasnakshaya manonasha helps gain tattvajnana, tattvajnana helps manonasha, vasnakshaya. They are interrelated. So that means what should be done? The Swarupa should be directly appreciated. So what is stopping you from doing that? Some pratibandhas are there, some obstructions are there. So if obstructions are there, what should be done? Because of cataract, vision is not clear, remove the cataract. Afterwards what? Your sight will be restored. So also, if some pratibandhakas, obstructions do not allow you to appreciate the Swarupa, remove the obstruction, and therefore, so what are those obstructions one by one, how they have to be removed, etc. is being discussed. In the anatma, what are those? Deha, physical body. Aksha means indriya. In the anatma, deha, aksha, adi. Adi for mana, buddhi, prana, in all this. Okay? In all anatma. Aham mama iti yaha bhavaha. Yaha bhavaha, whatever notion, wrong notion is there, that this is me, body is me, indriya is me. So like that, mamaiti jo bhavaha, ayam adhyataha. This is what is called as adhyasa. Adhyasa means truly not so, but mistaken to be so, what is called as superimposition. Snake is said to be adhyasta, superimposed on throat. A piece of silver, rajata, is supposed to be superimposed on shukti, a sea shell. A ghost is adhyasta, superimposed on a post. Or a thief is superimposed on a post. Means you are mistaking a post for a thief or a ghost. So that is this is what means the notion of I-ness and mindness, M-I-N-E, in anatma, like gross body, indriya, prana, mana, buddhi. That is what is called as adhyasa. It has to be nirastavya. You have to get it out. You have to get it. Nirastavya should be discarded. How can you get discarded? By whom? Vidusha. By viveki, by a jnani. How? Swatmanishtaya. By making the mind abide in Atma Swarup, making the mind abide in the cognition of Atma Swarupa. Swatma Nishtaya Vidusha Virastauyaha. So now, in this manner, give up the notion of I-ness and mindness in the body, etc. Continue.
Jnātvā svam pratyekātmānam buddhi tadvrutti sākshinam sohamityeva tadvruttya atmanyātmamatim jayi.
Sadvritya anatmanyatmamatim jahi. Avagraha is that anatadvritya anatmanyatmamatim jahi.
Anvaya. Buddhi tadvrutti sākshinam pratyekātmānam svam jnātvā saha aham iti eva sadvrutya anatmani atmamatim jahi. Again, buddhi tadvrutti sākshinam pratyekātmānam svam jnātvā saha aham iti eva sadvrutya anatmani atmamatim jahi.
Jnātva, having directly known. Whom? Pratyekātma. Jnātva, having known. Whom? Pratyekātma. Who is that Pratyekātma? Buddhi tadvrutti sākshinam. See, a pointer is given to ascertain who is Pratyekātma. Who is that? Buddhi. Buddhi, intellect, antakarana. Tadvrutti, its vritti, antakarana vritti. Its sākshinam. Sākshinam is what? One who directly knows. Come on, who knows it? Are you aware of your mind, intellect, antakarana with all thoughts that crop up in that? Just now, what process is going on? What is Swami saying? That, aware of that, because of which are you, that is, you know buddhi and this thing, is it now? At least, are you aware that such thought is going on? Huh? Whether you got answer or not, different thing. That because of which you are aware of that thought is Atma. Oh, that knowledge principle, because of which I am able to know, that is Atma. Can you deny? Can you dare? Can you dare to deny? Even if a foolhardy fellow says we can prove it. He says, I deny what such Atma is not there. I accept it to begin with. Accept to begin with. What are you denying? That such a principle, Atma principle is not there. What made you make this statement? No, I know such a thing is not there. What you know? Such a thing is not there. What made you know that such a thing? What made you know that such a thing is not there? You are aware of a thought that such a thing is not there. That is what Atma Tattva. See, for example, Many things are there in the darkness. Light is brought. That which makes you see the object is what? Light. Antarkara vrittis are jada, inert by themselves. That which makes you aware of them. See, at times, oh, I don't know that. Because you don't know something you don't know. But you know that you don't know. That which makes you aware of the thought in the mind that I don't know, that is what is the Atma. Is it away from you? Do you experience joy in life? Do you suffer in life? That because of which you are aware of joy and suffering in life is Atma. Can you escape from that? Come on. So therefore, buddhi without dukya. How close is Atma? But it gives a slip. So close, but it gives a slip. You know why it gives a slip? Because mind is preoccupied in other things. Mind is preoccupied in other things. So therefore, buddhi, tadvritti means buddhi vritti, antakara vritti. Sakshinam, Pratyagatmanam, and we know with that Swam. What is that Swam? Whatever blessed thing you call as I is this. But you are mistaken to be something else. It is that whatever I, that blessed thing is, this only is. So therefore, Swam, Jnatva, having directly known, Saha ahamiti eva sadvritya. By vritti. What vritti? That buddhi and buddhi vritti, sakshi, chaitanya, atma is me by sat vritya. By a vritti which is of the nature of atma sarupa. Why it is called sat? Not passing life. Nishtha is there. Firm abidance is there. By that sat vritya means which can never get negated, which reveals the identity of Jiva and Brahma. Say Satvritya, what you do? Anatmani Atmamatim Jahi. Give up Atmamati, the notion of I in Anatma. Anatma, that is Deha, Mana, Buddhi, Indriya, Prana, which is not I. So therefore, how it is to be seen? By direct cognition of Atma Sarupa, give up the wrong notion that body, etc. is me. So the question comes, see, what makes us take the body as I? Few factors which confirm the notion that the body is I, they are now told, so that if those factors are eliminated, it is helpful to get rid of the notion that the body is I. You know, like that in Ayurveda, there is patya, restricted diet. If restricted diet is observed, it is very helpful to get rid of the disease. So like that, what are those factors which strengthen our notion that the body, the mind, indriyas, etc. is I? So therefore says,
Lokanuvartanam tyaktva dehanuvartanam Shastranuvartanam tyaktva Swadhyāsāpanayam kuru. Anvaya Lokanuvartanam tyaktva Dehanuvartanam tyaktva Shastranuvartanam tyaktva Swadhyāsāpanayam देहानुवर्तनं त्यक्त्वा शास्त्रानुवर्तनं त्यक्त्वा स्वाध्यासापनयं कुरु.
Having given up these three, स्वाध्यासापनयं कुरु. स्वाध्यासस्य apanayam kuru. Apanayam kuru means remove, drive away. Adhyasa, superimpose the notion that I am the body, this body belongs to me, etc. How? Having given up three things. What are those three things? Lokanuvartanam. Literally, anuvartanam means following, imitating. It means trying to conform to the specification of the world. This is clear. Its cause is given in the next stanza. Lokavasana, Shastravasana, Dehavasana. So therefore, Lokanuvartana. Lokanuvartana means like conducting oneself, behaving oneself in such a manner that all the people in the world say, great, good person, great person. They will always praise me, they will never censure me. This is because of what is called as Lokavasana. I will conduct myself in such a way that all will praise me, no one will censure me. Inviting trouble. Do you know why? Impossible. You remember, you know, Mother Sita could not escape censure. Mother Sita, such chaste lady, she could not. Rama could not escape blame. Lord Rama, where are you and me? And they always was. I will conduct in such a way that, you know that nursery school story? Father and the son going in the pony. You don't know. Such things you do not forget. See, a father and the son were going. Father was sitting on the pony, son was walking. They had to cross to the village. At one village, what stupid fellow, making that young lad walk and sitting on this. They thought that means young one should sit and the elder one should say, father got down and so on. The son was made to sit at that. Next village, idiot, is making the young one to walk and make the old person say, then God earlier said, let us both sit on this. Both started riding on that. Third village, what a cruel person, loading the pony with two persons. Loading the pony with two persons. So they thought this also is not correct. So both of them went off and started walking. Fourth village comes. What foolish fellows, ponies aren't there. They are walking. Now they didn't know what to do. You know what they did? They tied up the legs of the pony and tied the feet and started carrying on the shoulders. Fifth village comes. What foolish fellows? Ponies and is up to anything. They got so disgusted. By the time the river came, threw the pony in the... Who is correct? Trying to conform to the specification of the world. Sir, it is not possible. Better know the truth. Better know the truth. So therefore, based on Shastra, what is good for me, first ascertain and then stick to it let the world say anything. My life is precious. If I get blown with the wind of the world hither and thither, I am not going to accomplish anything worthwhile in life. See? They will say like that only. If this way, they will say that way. If that way, they will say, you know that? Many times in nursery school stories are very useful. In Marathi there is a thing. Radha माझी टोपी दिली, राधा भिकारी माझी टोपी घेतली. राधा भिकारी माझी टोपी घेतली. You know, just a nursery school story. And Mickey Mouse, you know, happened to go in a cloth shop, and there it got a beautiful white piece of cloth. He thought, let me have a cap. And it went to a tailor. So tailor uncle, please stitch a cap for me. And then he got a drum. Dum 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 dum. And slowly he went in the royal court and started beating the drum. Dum 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 dum. He got, what is this? We are creating nuisance here. Asked the soldier, who is the child? So they dropped. Yes, why are you creating nuisance here, etc. He gave a punishment. Hey, take away his cap. So the servant took away the cap. You know what this mouse did? Radha Bhikari Bhaji Topi. He is a beggar and therefore he took my cap. Now, how can the king tolerate this? Give it back. So he gave Radha Bhaji Topi. The king got scared of me. He got scared of me and returned back. Can you shut the mouth of the world? What can you do about it? Don't dwell on the certificate of the world. A person who would like to conform to the specific in the world, all the time he is inviting what? Vikshepa in the mind. And do you know what will happen? Identity in the body will be more and more confirmed as such. Lokanuvartanam tyaktva, dehanuvartanam tyaktva. Pampering the body. You know, Shastra says, Shariram adyam khalu dharma sadhanam. First and foremost means to get something worthwhile in the world is the body. Therefore, that body should be looked after properly. Don't torture the body. But pampering the body is not the goal of life. So therefore, dehanuvartanam tyaktva, shastranuvartanam tyaktva. Shastra. So that means following the Shastra to the letter. It will be more clear in the next verse. It will be, we'll see it more clear. Shastranu Vartanam means without knowing the real purpose of the Shastra, sticking to letters. So it means final goal told by the Shastra is not cared for, but this fellow skims on the superface here and there, etc., sticking to it by the sector. What is that? Svadhyasapanayam Guru. Svadhyasapanayam. Get rid of the adhyasa, that Deha is me, Deha is mine, etc. Get rid of that. Continuing.
Lokavasanayāyanto Shāstravasanayāpica Ekavāsanayāpica देहवासनया च शास्त्रवासनया अपि जन्तोः यथावत् ज्ञानं नैव जायते। लोकवासनया देहवासनया शास्त्रवासनया अपि जन्तोः यथावत् ज्ञानं न एव जायते।
The question comes, to get rid of this identification with the body. What is the means of getting rid of identity with the body? Making the mind abide in the knowledge of oneself. So the question is, to get rid of this identity in the body or to gain the knowledge, why should we give up lokanuvartana, dehanuvartana and shastranuvartana? Why should we? What is the reason? He says, because of these three reasons, Atma Jnana cannot be gained in its true nature. What are those? Lokavasanaya. So these three are called as Malina Vasana, in contrast to Shuddha Vasana, which is Janma Vinashini. These are Bandhana Karaka. So these are binding in nature. Lokavasana. What is Lokavasana? It's like this. I will convince, it is very important, very nicely given in here. There are many things from Shastra we can see. Sarve janaha yatha mam na nindanti. I will conduct in such a way that no one will censure me, criticize me. Again, yatha stuvanti. Sarve janaha yatha stuvanti. The manner in which all people will praise me. Tatha eva sarvada charishyami. So I will always conduct myself in that manner. In what manner? All people will praise me all the time. No one will criticize me at any time. Iti adhinivesha. Adhinivesha means such intentness. That is what is called as the Lokavasana. Why it is pratibandhaka? It cannot be fulfilled. It cannot be fulfilled. One dhobi is enough to put a blame on whom? Lord Rama and Sita. Not a great person. It is not, it is just impossible to fulfill this desire. It is said, Kaha lokam aradhaitum samartha. Who can please the world? Impossible. Again, vidyate na khalu kaschid upayaha sarvaloka paritosha karaha. There is no means by which entire world can be made happy or clean. There is no such means at all. So therefore what is to be done? So this is very important. Sarvata, it is not in your book. Sarvata swahitam acharaniyam. By all means, you take to those means which are good to you, which are beneficial to you. Kim karishyati janaha bahujalpaha. Lose talk of people what it can do. First you decide what is right, what is wrong, what is good for me, what is bad for me. Thereafter, come whatever it may be, have that guts to stick to that. If you have got obstruction, pray. Ishvara will certainly help. So that is how, so not to get carried away by nowadays people want certificate from the recognition. Nobody recognizes in this country. Therefore what go है? Those countries are gone now. वो खड्डे में गया है. They are in doldrums etc. अगर अमेरिका में है, मिडिल ईस्ट है, मिडिल ईस्ट भी गया है. Pakistan is Pakistan and Bangladesh is Pakistan. Then you can't, because India is better. India is better than that. And I was told that they want to go somewhere to foreign country. If not possible, there is the sailors and the merchant navy. Get out of the nation. Some in merchant navy is there already the ocean only as such. Most of the time outside the country as such. But anything in India, no good. Why? Because it is India. Time is going to come, you know. Whatever that is Indian is going to be bored of. No, wait. I'm not joking. There are evidences of that. Just wait 10 to 20 years. See what status is going to get India. Things are moving fast. So that I say, that is you first decide based on right needs, not just whimsical imagination. Can there be a better thing than Shastra? Can there be better things than great masters who have dedicated their life for good of humanity, like Shankaracharya, Vyasa, and all these great rishis, etc., who have nothing to get from the Jagat, but only to give to the Jagat, so self-sufficient they are. Can we not rely on them? Based on that, decide what is good for me as such, and that's what. Then, Shastravasana. Shastravasana is a very interesting topic. So next time we say, it is three types. It is. Patha Vasana, Shastra Vasana, Anusthana Vasana. We will see in detail next time. Then comes Dehavasana. Dehavasana is Atmatva Guna. So that is that notion of I-ness in the body. Then Gunadhanam. Gunadhanam means making the body better and better, starting from plastering with talcum powder, and all that, etc., carrying a vanity bag every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, like that. So that all these are Gunadhana means, so that is trying to improve the success. Then Doshapanaya, getting rid of unwanted things from the body. Like that, you will see in detail next time. Say, these are there. Deha Tadatmya gets more and more confirmed only as such. So because of this, what should be done? Lokanuvartana should be given up, Dehanuvartana should be given up, Shastranuvartana should be given up. So you see this, Shastravasana and Dehavasana in detail. So these are facts of life, we should know that. Nowadays, personality development. We should develop self-esteem. America is self-esteem is a $1 billion business. All marketing. I think even somebody was told, high school here now, personality development, subject is very personality development. Something imported things they will stuff in the mind of the children, nothing will be there. Just imitation. Anyway, we'll see.